Here's the preparation video for Luft Sev Batata Puri Kit. First up, unbox the Sev Batata Puri Kit, in which you will find everything you need. Crunchy puri papdi, sev, boiled masala potato flakes, green chili chutney, sweet and sour chutney, and garlic chutney. For the potato flakes, empty the masala potato flakes in a big bowl. Pour in 110 ml of water. Mix and knead for 2 minutes and a smooth boiled potato mash is ready. Now you are all set to assemble your Sev Batata Puri. Place the puri papdi on a plate. Put some mashed potatoes on each puri. Drizzle the 3 types of chutneys over the potato mash, adjusting according to your taste preferences. Sprinkle some sev on top and consume immediately. Enjoy!